Hello, my name's Rosanna and today I'm going to show you how to make 4 stylish coasters like these with cork as base and leather on top. The kit is part of a growing collection on my website and all the materials are in there.
The other requirements are a cutting mat, a sharp knife or scalpel, a metal ruler, strong contact adhesive glue such as Evo Stick, a spatula or applicator for the glue, and a pen or pencil. Step 1. Carefully cut out the card template pieces provided in the kit. Please note the dotted line shows the edge of the cork to cut after the leather is glued in place. I have allowed an extra 5mm all around the leather to trim down when it's finished. Each part is numbered to correspond to the chosen colour and coaster. You have 5 different colours of leather and there is enough for you to choose which shape is which colour. But please note, I would advise you not to put 2 similar colours together where possible to get the best contrast. Once you have decided on your leather colours, place the corresponding templates for each coaster face down on the back of the leather, arranging them to get the best fit and least wastage. You could use the offcuts for future projects, making earrings for example. Mark around each piece with your pen or pencil carefully, then cut along the lines with a scalpel and ruler, making sure your ruler doesn't move. It's better to cut them a bit too big as you can always trim them a bit later. Step 2. Make sure you copy the letter and number from the template directly onto the back of the corresponding leather piece. This will make matching up the pieces to each coaster much easier. Take your first coaster and arrange the 5 different coloured pieces of leather on top to check they fit together and you're happy with the design. It is best to trim down the last one to fit if it is too big. Mark where the first main piece goes on the cork, i.e. the largest, most central piece, with a pen. Then apply the glue to the cork thinly, making sure it is completely covered. And then repeat this on each of the 5 pieces of leather for this coaster, starting with the central piece. This allows time for the glue to go tacky, and then apply the central piece following the guidelines you marked earlier and press down firmly. Follow this with the next piece using your common sense to fill the pattern as you go. Push the edges of the pieces together so there are no gaps between them. Keep checking your pieces fit, and with the final piece, double check before pressing it in place. It may need some trimming. Turn the coaster face down onto a clean, dry surface and then place a heavy book on top and leave to dry for a few hours. And in the meantime, complete the other 3 coasters in the same way and leave to dry. Step 3. Once the glue has dried on all 4 coasters, turn them face down and using the ruler on the edge of the cork, cut the excess leather off carefully. If any excess glue has squeezed out of the edges, try to pick this off carefully or use some sandpaper to smooth it down. Step 4. This is an optional step. If you'd like to round off the corners of your coasters, carefully place the template provided in the kit over the edges and cut down with a scalpel in small increments. I strongly recommend not cutting in one go, trying to go round the corner, as this will create a beveled edge. Your coasters are now complete and you have a set of 4 stylish coasters for your home or as a perfect gift.